Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. Today I will tell you how to make dhoti salwar for 5-year-old girl. I have taken 1.5 meter fabric. Fabric is folded into 2 layers. Make sure that you fold it properly by end to end. Hold the open layer and bend it towards the folded portion. This is the remaining fabric. It's 7 inches. With this 7 inches, we will make waist strip. Now I will make the design. Mark 1 inches here and length should be 7 inches for the hip area. Mark 1 inches from this side too and give an arc shape. Mark 1.5 inches here. Mark 5 inches for the feet area as we are making it for 5-year-old girl. Mark 5 inches from both the sides and further we will fold it and will stitch it from here to here. And then we will stitch it from here to hip area. Now I will show you its cutting. First of all, we'll cut the fabric and separate the waist strip. Now we'll cut the fabric of hip area. Up next we'll cut it from the 1.5 inch mark and we'll cut with chalk. Now open it like this and cut the folded layer like this. This is how we will cut it and open it. This is feet area. Fold it and then we'll stitch it. This is the hip area. We will stitch it as well. Here we'll be marking for the hip area from this side as well. Now we have waist strip. Breadth of waist strip is 18 inches and length is 7 inches. This is how we'll cut it and it is done. As you can see, I'm stitching the waist strip. Firstly, we'll stitch it from 1.5 inches and we'll leave 1 inches for the elastic or dori. Hold the fabric from both the sides and stitch it. Now bend it like this and stitch it carefully. Our waist strip is ready and portion for dori is also ready. This is for the back side area and this one is for the front side. Fold it into 4 layers and mark cut for puffs. Firstly, we'll stitch the sitting area. Now, we'll stitch the feet area by folding the fabric like this. Sitting area and feet area is stitched. Now we'll set it with waist strip. This is the front portion and this portion with cut is for the back side. So first of all we'll set the fabric and then stitch it from front and back portion, and later on we'll stitch with the puff in the center. Join the cut with cut and stitch it along with the waist strip. Hold the fabric and shrink it this way to make puffs. Now we'll start it from the back side. Stitch the side portion. Stitch waist strip from its fine side to give final look. So here we have our very beautiful dhoti salwar is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel.